How to stop Instagram from posting on Facebook. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. To stop Instagram from posting on Facebook, you can open up the Instagram app, then go to your profile at the bottom right corner. Once you head into your profile, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner, and here you want to head into the settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, head into account center, the Meta account center, and under it you'll find the option that says sharing across profiles. So you should find here this way option. Now previously you should find it this way, but you can tap on manage accounts here, and once you tap on manage accounts here, you'll be able to see here options, right? You can tap on manage on Facebook. Then what you can do is you can move out of this account. You can remove your Facebook from your linked accounts, and that is one way to remove the share. However, if you just want to stop sharing and you don't want to unlink your accounts, right, then you want to head into connected experiences under Meta account center. Then you can see sharing across profiles, tap on it. Then you can see Facebook here, tap on it, and once you tap on Facebook, you can disable sharing your Instagram story. So you can see here, you can select Facebook here. So if you head into Instagram, for example, you head into Instagram account, and you can see share to Facebook here. You can see automatically share Instagram post, story and reels. You can toggle that off. So this is how you can easily stop Instagram from posting on Facebook. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.